and she wanna record it. I'll never say no, that's boring. I popped a Molly pill for real. 35 minutes, I'm soaring. Geeked up, my teeth torturing gums. I'm one of the ones.
YouTube. What's good, gang? We are back with another video. Appreciate all y'all for tuning in as always. Please go hit that like button, go share it with all your friends, cousins, aunties, uncles, whatever, and hit that subscribe button most importantly. But with all that being said, let's get into it. So today we about to go to some more car shit, dog. First thing we doing is a car cruise. My homie had invited me to come with his group to go on a little cruise, so we're gonna do that. And then after that, we're gonna hit this brunch. It's supposed to have a bunch of exotics. I don't know if y'all watched my video where they had the warehouse and they had all the exotics and shit. That same like car group is hosting a meet today, so it's gonna be a whole bunch of exotics there as well. Stay tuned, hit that like, subscribe button, all that. But yeah, let's get into it.
Top of the morning is very important with Paul before I just knowing. I get the top and she wanna record it. I'll never say no, that's boring.
Alright, gang, so we're about to pull up to the spot. I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time doing some shit like this. Definitely like with a group of people and shit, so I don't really know what to expect, but I'm gonna try to film as much as possible. Damn, we had a Lambo. Yeah, we finna pull up and see what's up. Alright, gang, so we just left the driver's meeting, I guess, and we about to head to the Woodlands area. That's everybody in their cars. Got a Lexus, a Audi, BMW, that, and then moi, finna head to the Woodlands area. About to go through the tunnels and shit, so supposed to be a live ass little drive. Yeah, finna be my first little cruise. Let's see what's up. Y'all heard that M? That shit sound crazy. Bro, it's crazy. You could hear the vet chopping. That shit is mean. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good out here, dog. The fall is coming, bro. I got a hoodie on and I'm not sweating, so that's a real good thing, dog. so we just pulled over. Dog, that shit was crazy as hell. Bro, the M, crazy as hell. The vet, of course, chopping the whole time, crazy as hell. Dog, that shit was lit. Oh, it's crazy because every time I drive like that, I got pee. I ain't gonna lie. There's everybody, cars. That was the M popping. Got the vet. Audi.
Just get back to Dallas, you said?
Yeah.
No, nice.
Got the Lexus. And then the Bronco just pulled up. So that was real fun, not gonna lie. Can't wait to do that again, but we finna go eat and shit. And then, like I said, another meet coming up. And it's not too far, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, so we just finished brunch or whatever. Nice mimosas. It was a good time. It was real cool riding with Fast Life. That was my first, I guess you could say, cruise. Hopefully I get to do some more of that stuff and we get some more content like that on the channel. But right now we're about to go and see what cars we can catch at this Savage meet. Let's see what's up. Alright gang, so we just pulling up. There is the meet. Sheesh, got the bikes lined up. Look at them in the shade, dog. Cause I know it's hot as hell out here. Bro, what is that right there? It's a kit car. Crazy. Got the Hell Kitty. Bro, what is this kit car right here? Put like a kid on the vet. That's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's hot as hell out here, dog. I don't see how they having a meet right now. Low key, I'm debating if I want to get out. Oh, they got the Mansory just pulled up. Got the Mansory just pulled up. That bitch is tough. I'm honestly debating if I even want to go to this hoe. It's hot as hell outside for the cars, right? GTR ski just pulled up. What's it, R32? Ooh, GTR boys. Bro was on right hand drive too. Sheesh, that's tough. But yeah, we finna get out. Let's see what cars we see. Might as well. We got a GTR pulled up. It's so hot, dog. Fall, can you come any sooner? But look at this. I don't know what rims he put on them hoes. But yeah, R32 boys. I think I'm saying R32 real confidently. Yeah. Right hand drive. Let me make sure I lock my shit real quick. Alright, gang. Look at this vet. I think this is a vet with a kit on it. That shit is tough. Got these nice ass orange Lambos. Sheesh. Then twin them. Why the fuck did you just do that? Twin them. Sheesh, that's hard. Woo. Look at this, dog. This wrap is crazy too. On some fat Pirellis. Look at the inside. I like these seats. Damn. Alright, the back is tough. That's tough. That exhaust. Crazy. Big body G-Wagon. It's crazy how the big body make the little one or the regular one look so little. But that's the Brabus kit on a G-Wagon. It's crazy. Look at this yellow too. This yellow is tough, dog. Got the Bentley. GTR boys. All the Lambo pulling in now. Another G-Wagon. Ooh, look at those brakes. I fuck with those calipers. It's tough. Aircon boys. Sheesh. It's an e-tron Audi. Audi tough, I'm not gonna lie. Got the vet ski. Damn, that's a fat wing on the back. That's my type of wing. Huge wing. Lamb chop. Woo!
You like that?
Viper boys. GTR boys. Hey, and this GTR live, we got the gold rims on the real one, and also the toy one got the gold rims too. That's tough. Oh, I love this wrap. It's like that midnight purple GTR on the Benz though. That's crazy. That's hard. And that wrap on this Aston, crazy, bro. Another Vetiana. And y'all see my favorite blue. I will always say this is my favorite blue, dog. Favorite blue. This is my favorite blue, dog. I fuck with this car. They got the Lilo and Stitch. That's tough. On the M2 629. Bro, it's so hot out here. I need AC. I'm about to go inside just to get a napkin because it's hot as fuck out here. I had to escape to the restaurant, bro. It's so hot outside. Fuck. I'm not gonna lie, I had to step into this movie theater real quick. I miss movie theaters. I haven't been to a movie theater since pre-COVID. That's crazy. Now we can get back to the cars and we can get back to this hot ass sun. But yeah, we got some more Lambos. I like how they all got their trunks open. The McCleasy. This Lambo is hard as hell. I like that yellow on it. Yellow seats too. Red motherfucker. Woo. McLaren. Another McCleasy. Ferrari boys. Woo. I love the color on this Ferrari too. Green go hard. Got my boy in the Dominoes. R8 as always. My boy Pernell.
These niggas scatterbugs, brother, they gon' meet they maker. In Jamaica, 20-some years old with 20 hoes is perfect. Had a purpose.
Damn, look at the rims on that hoe. Shit was crazy, dog. That like a copper. It's insane. Ooh, these rims. That's crazy. This carbon fiber is going dumb. Oh my god. Next to the Lamb. Woo. And we seen these in the warehouse vlog. If y'all haven't go seen the warehouse vlog already, go check it out. Oh, man. Oh, that's hard, dog. Big body. Oh, and he got the red guts. Oh my god. Nah, that's crazy. Mansory kid on the exhaust too. Then we got the SVJ with orange trim. Ooh, 777. That's hard. SVJ boys got the Viper out. GT3 RS too. But this Viper is so sexy, dog. I love this color on this GT3. Woo! And they got the roll cage in the back. This is hard. That roll cage in the back. Woo! Red McCleasy. Ferrari boys. This hoe look fast as hell. Lamborghini boys. Alright, I think we've seen most of the cars. You got this crazy Audi we've seen on the channel before. The Audi hatchback. Tough wrap. But yeah, we've seen most of the cars now. Oh, they got the Demon out. Okay. Bought the Demon out. Oh my god. air grabber. Got the demon and then got the cat. I told y'all I want a yellow demon or yellow wide body. I want to put chrome rims though. I don't want black rims. It's still very hard. The bikes, what we trying to be on soon. Yeah, we seen most of the cars here now. Shit, I didn't even see the wrap on this Lamb. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it got like a metallic glitter in it. Burgundy. That's crazy. Oh man. Alright gang, we back in some AC, and that is the most important thing right now, dog. I'm not worried about nothing else but this AC. It's hot as hell. But yo, it was some live cars out here. Man, I just really wish that it wasn't so hot, bro. When it's hot like it is out here, shit's so hard to just be focused on the vlog without wiping sweat away or shit just drenching, dog. But yeah, it was a good meet. Definitely some live cars. Crazy that they got this right hand drive GTR. I think it's an R32, correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, it was some live cars out here. And like I said, a lot of these cars we saw in the warehouse vlog that I had posted. So if you haven't checked out my warehouse vlog, go check that out. Definitely have a bunch of live ass cars in that vlog, plus a lot of the ones you've seen here. But yeah, other than that, we finna head out soon. It's just way too hot, dog. I wish I could give y'all more content, like get more in depth with the cars and shit, but bro, it's too hot for all that. So gonna catch y'all on the next vlog. Appreciate y'all for watching. Shout out to my boy Randy for inviting me onto the cruise this morning. That shit was fun, much needed. And it was definitely live seeing the Vet and the M5 popping. Really all the cars. They had a Vet, a Lexus, a Audi, a couple Lexus actually, a Audi, and the Beamer. And all of them were tunes are crazy on them. So you know, it was real cool doing that. That was real fun. Hopefully we get to do some more stuff like that on the channel. But yeah, until then, appreciate all y'all for watching, all y'all that tuned in. Got another one coming up soon, so y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna fuck with y'all. Say bye bye GTR.